How to disable active status on your Facebook Messenger. If you want to disable your active status on your Facebook Messenger so that when you are online, no one can find that you are online, it means a small green dots against your username will be disappear and no one can find that you are online. So for that, just open your Facebook Messenger. When you are on your messenger, on top left side, you can see there are three horizontal lines. Just click on these horizontal lines and then click on this setting icon, gear icon. When you click on this, just scroll down a little and you will find their option called privacy and safety. Just click on this option. When you click on this, scroll down again at the bottom, you can see their option called active status. So what you will do, just simply click on active status. Now there are two options. First one is show when you are active, show when you are active together. It means that if you want someone to know that you are active, then you have to enable this option. But if you want no one can see you are active, it means a small green dot will be disappear from your username or profile picture when you disable this. So if you want, just disable these both simply for 1 hour, or if you want permanent, to simply click on permanent, and or you can select the time when you show you will be offline. So this is up to you. So if you want, you can disable these both two options and your active status will be disappear.